Alright, let's see what's changed in the BTC USD pair since yesterday's video. So not too much is going on, to be honest. You can still see that we have our low down here. Nothing's changed on that front. But what is interesting is we had a massive scam wick all the way up to the 38,000 level. You can see on this microfib here, it blew past the 786. Only on this 4-hourly candle, and if we come over to the 1-hourly candles in a minute, you can see we didn't even close an hourly candle above there, so an absolute scam wick. It didn't even reach the 0.5. If we extend the microfib out here, you can still see that we're below the 382, so it's not looking too good. What is interesting though, if it will let me change the chart, if we come over to Coinbase, you can see, we move our fib to where we had it before, we didn't even get above the 786 on the Coinbase chart, so the scam wick wasn't too bad here. If I draw it from the top again and we go into the one hourly chart, you can see the scam wick, it didn't even have an hourly close above this candle, so obviously hourly closes above the 382 aren't exactly a bull indicator in the first place. I mean, we need to be above the 618 40,000 in my opinion before we can really say that we're turning around bullish. The 4-hourly RSI looks reset to me. It looks like it's turning round. It did hit oh no, this is the hourly, sorry. So the hourly RSI looks reset to me. We hit 70 and now it looks like we're coming down. Not looking too good on the hourly or the micro time frames. If I come to the 4-hourly, the RSI looks pretty much the same. You can still see though that we're below the 0.382, so we're definitely not bullish right now. And if we come over to the SPY quickly, you can see that we opened a massive gap over the weekend. So the SPY is not looking good right now. We had this as our possible chop pattern that we put in our previous SPY video, and I mean we pretty much turned around here, come down. I wouldn't be surprised if we do chop around a little bit before we decide what pattern or whether we're going to go up or down. But to be honest, it looks like people are trying to price in the Fed meeting tomorrow. Obviously, a lot of people are speculating that the Fed are going to be announcing or talking about the inflation and raising interest rates. So the market looks like it's trying to price in some bearish news. We're going to have to wait and see what happens tomorrow before we can make any dire predictions. If we come over to the Nasdaq as well, Nasdaq still looks garbage. SPX looks garbage. The dollar doesn't look too bad, which is probably why all of these are doing so bad. So SPY looks the worst out of all of them. Total crypto market, we're still below the 1.618 here. So yeah, honestly, not too much has changed with Bitcoin. I wouldn't be telling anyone to get out of bed for a high or low here. We still do have this bearish trend, and I mean I drew an even more bearish trend line yesterday in yesterday's video, and we're still not above here. So I'm gonna stick with 40,000. I think I'm gonna put that on my chart. I'll put it in orange, and yeah, until we get above 40,000 I can't be bullish. So yeah, thanks for watching. Once again, none of this is financial advice, and you've always got to do what's best for you.